Imagine this. You're 30 years old, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and wondering where all your money went. Sounds terrifying, right? Now, flip the script. Picture yourself in control, saving thousands every year, and building the life you've always dreamed of. The difference? A budget that actually works. But here's the harsh truth. Most budgets fail. Why? Because they're boring, restrictive, and unrealistic. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a budget that doesn't just work, it thrives. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to transform your financial future. Let's dive in. Wait, did I just say budget? No, I meant budget. But hey, if you're still calling it a budget instead of a financial freedom plan, you're already doing it wrong. Step 1, know your numbers. You can't win the money game if you don't know the score. Start by calculating your total monthly income. Yes, that includes your side hustle money too. Next, track every single expense for 30 days. And I mean everything. That $4 latte? Track it. That random Amazon purchase? Track it. This isn't about judgment. It's about awareness. Because here's the scary part. Most people have no idea where their money goes. And that's how you end up broke. But once you see the numbers, you'll feel a mix of fear and excitement. Fear, because you might realize you're spending way too much on takeout. Excitement, because now you can fix it. But here's the kicker. Knowing your numbers is just the beginning. What you do next will determine whether you sink or swim. Step 2, the 50-30-20 rule. This is your golden ticket to a budget that doesn't feel like a prison sentence. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. Rent, utilities, groceries. 30% goes to wants. Netflix, dining out, that new pair of sneakers. And 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Simple, right? But here's why it works. It's flexible. You're not cutting out fun. You're just giving it boundaries. And that 20%, that's your future. That's your freedom. That's how you build wealth. Now, if you're thinking, but what if I spend 40% on wants and 10% on needs? Well, congratulations. You're either a monk or living in your parents' basement. Speaking of freedom, let's talk about the one thing that can make or break your budget. Step 3, automate your finances. Let's be real, you're human. You'll forget to transfer money to savings. You'll overspend. That's why automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, retirement fund, and debt payments. Pay yourself first and let the system do the heavy lifting. This isn't just a hack, it's a game changer. Because when your money works for you, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. But here's the thing. Even with automation, there's one mistake that could derail your entire plan. Want to know what it is? Keep watching. Step 4, review and adjust. A budget isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a living, breathing thing. Every month, sit down and review your spending. Did you overspend on dining out? No problem. Adjust for next month. Did you get a raise? Awesome. Increase your savings. This is where the magic happens. Because every adjustment brings you closer to your goals, and every review reminds you why you started, to live a life of abundance, not scarcity. Think of it like a relationship. If you don't check in regularly, things are going to get messy, and nobody wants a messy breakup with their bank account. So, there you have it. A budget that actually works. It's not about restriction, it's about intention. It's about taking control of your money so you can live the life you deserve. But remember, this is just the beginning. Financial freedom is a journey, and you've just taken the first step. Now, if you're ready to take the next step, I've got something for you. In my next video, I reveal the harsh truth about school and why it might not be setting you up for financial success. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Click the video on your screen right now to watch it. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's the one thing holding you back from financial freedom? See you in the next one.